Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rambak Kejelau Conrad ke Sangma haka arus samtrik uluber ajak penriu ula pensyai ba ke jing penrung ya ka Agatha ke Sangma ka bulang ke chairperson joka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights haka thup jongki star campaigners kadai ke bala kumle Bakla haka jing kra Meghalaya pathai kubor Menteri Rambak ula ong ba ka parti kala dep thoru syaka Election Commission of India da ka jing kerpat banweng noi Kyrteng jongka na ka thup jongki nongkeren ba hakmat akiran sa nilap election jongka NPP ka ba dang ya chakmat haka jela asan.
That was in fact incorrect, and we have already written to the Election Commission to delete her name. And just to share with you, she had already shared with me in the beginning that she will not be campaigning as it is not proper for to campaign. But due to some kind of shortcomings and the party campaign team not being communicated that part, they ended up putting her name because she is a senior leader of the party, and therefore they felt it appropriate. So they did the right thing, but this message did not reach them at the right moment. But to take corrective measures, we have already communicated to Election Commission that they should remove her name from the list of main campaigners.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.